Recording in progress.
Now, I believe this will interest you also. My name is Jeff Goodwin, 30-minute trader. Yesterday we had an unusual NFP, non-farm payroll. So it was the 8th of the month rather than the 1st. Now, within the 30-minute trader program, we actually have some incredible software which we plug straight into TradingView. But as well as being able to use these to support our trade, ladies and gentlemen, we also teach candle reading, structure, in an unusual way. And this is what I want to. This is a public. This here today is a public recording for everyone to get involved. Now we do have a special as it's Christmas coming up real soon, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be giving a couple of free mentoring sessions with myself if anybody decides to. That's one-on-one if anybody decides to come in, and also to the existing group as well. That's a little bonus for you. But here we go. I'm going to log right in. So, as we know, we did have NFP yesterday, non-farm payroll there. Friday the 8th of December, today is the 8th, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, red folder news, I'm just going to close that down. Yep, this here is the 30-minute trader market wizards group. 30-minute trader success hub, and this is where we show the results. This is where we actually get free education content, and if you want to access to this, you're very welcome to this recording. It's free inside the guide. You can see all about passing prop firms and much more. So let's go to the NASDAQ, ladies and gentlemen. NASDAQ, I want futures. You can do it on NAS 100 with indices, CFDs, whatever you want to call it. Now I'm on the weekly time frame. Ladies and gentlemen. Yep, and you notice I've marked a couple of lines, but put them to the side for a minute. Yep, I want to point out some candles. We're in this uptrend now. It's been an uptrend for a while. Yep, came down, back up to here, come down. Notice when the candles turn grey and they go green. And we're right now, this is this week, this is the week before. We're at this almighty high, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, every one of them is green. That'll become attention for next week and the following weeks. Yeah, I'm now going to drop down to the daily time frame. Yeah, and for this purpose, you'll see. For this purpose, you'll see a marked the high of the previous day. Sorry, not the high, the close of the previous day, a blue line, and this day of the low of yesterday, the NFP day, with the red line. So that was Thursday, that was Friday. And what this line here represents, well, we'll show you what that represents in a minute. So I'm going to go down to the hourly time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, going down to the hourly time frame. Yeah, let me first of all, I missed out the 4, but I'll come back to that in a minute, as you can see. Yeah, doesn't really mean anything to some people at this moment in time. Go to the hourly time frame as I was going to do anyway. We do have something in here for those people who know a bit more advanced about a hidden fair value gap in there. I would go down to the 15. So what we've done is, you see there, that was the close of the day before, and this was the open, and you see there the gap in the market of a little bit of time when it officially opens. Yeah, now this here is the midnight Eastern Standard Time, ladies and gentlemen. Eastern Standard. We have nothing up here. This was the previous high. You can see what's happened. This is after the fact, right? Well, I'm deliberately showing you it's after the fact, just trying to make sense. So what happened? I'm going to go down to the 15-minute time frame. Let's look at this. We're going to do this without indicators, and then we're going to do it with indicators, ladies and gentlemen, and we're going to take it from there. So for those people who know some of the models I teach with, we have a midnight candle, price comes down, and notice, if you will, the color of the candles. These are grey. They keep coming down past 1 o'clock Eastern Standard. This is off Eastern Standard Time, based in New York. As you can see there, New York, ladies and gentlemen. We got past the 1 a.m., which is 6 a.m. UK time. It keeps coming down there. That's an important time. It past 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, keeps coming down there. We kept coming down 2:45, 3 o'clock. Now this is on the 15-minute. We get a doji. Now a couple of freebies, a bit of advice here. Inside the 30-minute trader program, inside the 30-minute, we have an indicator that actually highlights that candle, and I'll show you that. Anything from a 15-minute all the way down to a 1 minute. Yep. And it says something happens right over here. It says the volume bursts in the market. And all you've got to do is decide the direction. And you cannot make this up. It goes back up. I'll say that again, ladies and gentlemen. It goes back up to the previous day's close. You cannot make this stuff up. It then comes down, keeps pushing down, comes to this area here. Sellers are still in it. Let's get this false. Well, this order block here comes back up here. Makes people think it's going back up, then rejects again, ladies and gentlemen. Coming down, you see this here, 8:30, things are getting ready for NFP. Not quite right, this manipulation leg down. And you see what I've actually highlighted? I've actually highlighted this order block. So let's see, we'll get green candles, green candles, green candles, green candles, one black candle. Yep, an order block. It goes down to the 50%, ladies and gentlemen, there, and goes to the moon. And then it comes down. That's the 3 o'clock, as I mentioned. Next time we've got to look at, in the software, ladies and gentlemen, is 7 a.m. Look at that. Right, yes, what happens? Next time, 8:30. Guess what? Something happens. Then after that, we have something quite special, ladies and gentlemen. We have something quite special kicking. It comes back into our order block again. And as you can tell, it just goes to the moon. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to drop this to the 5-minute time frame. No indicators. And for those people who know what I've been calling our jigsaw method recently, you might recognize something here. Yeah, you might actually recognize something here. Yeah, I'll do this. Very vague. This is an open. This is an open, but you'll know what I'm talking about here, ladies and gentlemen. You'll know exactly what I'm talking about here. So we have a low. So where's the high? It's going to be there or there, isn't it? Yeah. Well, this is the ultimate high we see here, isn't it? So all I'm going to do, we're looking for liquidity because we trade for liquidity. It could be there. There's a line already there, and we already have a high here, ladies and gentlemen. That's it there. Yep. So we have this push up, back up here. It's that order block and rejects, ladies and gentlemen. 9:30 happens. NFP kicks in. Yep. Kicks in, goes back up to the open of the day. That was the red line I said right at the start of this section. Comes down, breaks through. Yeah. Come down. As you can see this for yourself, right? You can see this all for yourself. This high. Yeah. Now, for those people, now this on the 5-minute time frame, no indicators. We have a low. We have something to the left and we have something in here to the right. We have something here, another low, that takes out all these stop losses. If people have been following me in my inner circle, 13-minute trader group, you understand when we have this, we have something to the left, we have something to the right. Once the stop loss is taken, boom. You can enter here, or you can wait for the next pullback, or take any of these stop loss behind there, and just take advantage of that, ladies and gentlemen. And whatever you do, boom, all the way. Now, how do you know when it's going to get to Jeff? I hear you might say, how do you know where the targets are? I'll come back to them in a minute. Let me do this now on the 1-minute time frame. Because some people are 5 minutes, some people are 1 minute. Do the exact same thing. The people in the inner circle, 30-minute trader group, they've just had a 5-day, it's like 16 days of book, and this was part of it. We get a low. Is this the ultimate low? Absolutely no idea if this is the ultimate low, ladies and gentlemen, at this moment in time. We have something to the left and we have something to the right. We have lots. What we're looking to do, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking for stop losses to be taken. Bang, it comes back into there. Thank you very much. It goes up. You have the pullback. So you can have an entry there. You can have an entry there. If you want to have another one, ladies and gentlemen, guess what? Fair value gap, bang, there's another one. And it goes to the moon. Now, where's the entry? I can do, yeah, we'll come to that in a minute. So I'll go 1 minute, 5 minutes. 1 minute, 5 minutes. So for those people that have been watching, for those people in the know, they know why I do something at the manipulation leg. So I could do this on the 5 minute. I could do this on the 1 minute. Right now, I'm going to choose to do it on the 1 minute. Yeah. So here we have this here, from here to here, right there. Goes up, comes back down. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to find my target. Go down my fibs. 1 minute, please. Diane, is that the door? Yeah, I've set my targets up there. I've set my targets. Yeah, I will do bar replay so you can see this for yourself. So these are my targets here. Yeah, targets here. That's using this candle here. Yep, that one there. Targets are here. Yep. So might find another one in a minute. So let's go through this. We got a low. Yep. I'm going to remove that target because it kept going down, as you can see. So that's all you do. Yeah, I've just got a bit of people at my door there. I do apologise, ladies and gentlemen. I've got maid service where I live, so I've got that from there to there. Yeah, that's the first one I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm looking for anything that takes you above these highs. Yeah, what I'm going to do there. I might offer another one in a minute. So here we go. It's a low. We have another low here. Yeah, all short-term lows. Here. Yeah, so that's went up the previous day, as you can see. This here. That was the end of it. Sorry, this is the wrong place. Wrong place from here. That was the low. So I'm going to use this manipulation leg. I can also use this one. That last one down. But I'm going to use this one from here to here. Get some options, ladies and gentlemen. And someone come in my door, it put me off a little bit. So bar replay from what happens when some people come in, ladies and gentlemen. There's some bar replay, but I'm trying to make it as real as possible. Yeah, I'm actually going to do these two again because people came in. So I've got this manipulation leg here, and I've got another manipulation leg here. There. And this one here. That there, potentially that there. I'm going to take this side here. So I've got targets, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. I know you can see the results after the fact a little bit, but I'm just trying to be completely transparent with you. I'll show you with our software and without the software. I've explained what I'm going to do. I've got this in advance. This might not be the end yet, but as I'm not in any trade. Not in any trade, ladies and gentlemen. This is the 1 minute time frame. Keeps coming down. Okay, one potential option here of a trade. Yep. The next thing, if we miss that, we're looking for any short-term loss. So I'm just going to press buy here, ladies and gentlemen. put one contract and do whatever it is I like. 5 contracts, 1 contract. But just for this, just do 1 contract there. Yeah, it shows it there. So what I'll do is I'll put my stop loss wherever I like and put this. Now this here is an intermediate low, so this should not be taken. Yeah. Yeah, you're looking for a fair value gap to be left open there. That's typically what's nice. And for targets, I've shown you targets. Now, what we'll do is we're always looking left for liquidity. So there's a 1 there, and we have another one here. So we have that there. So I put 2 on, I believe. So let's just go with this one. Let's just go with this one. So anything above the high, so that's there. Typically between 2 and 2.5 is where it goes, but there's also another target up here. So enter the trade. That's the first trade, potential trade. You could have actually had another one there, but let's go. Let's just watch. Look at the candles. Candle by candle. Now what we're noticing here, noticing these here, noticing these here, ladies and gentlemen. Yep. We're nice. Now just hit the first target there. The first target I wanted. Bada bing, bada bang. Now the liquidity is this here. I've got a couple of targets up here. So let's look for any fair value gaps. Potentially could come down to either there or that there, that rejection candle. Candle by candle. Now in a minute I'm going to put on a 30-minute trade of software, ladies and gentlemen, and let you see the power what we've got. So this came now, just touched into that fair value gap, which I mentioned in advance. Yeah, we talk about this in our mentoring program. Is it going to reject off there? This fair value gap here, which also is like 2 price action points of this fair value gap there, which is the highlight, and also the top of that rejection candle there. Our software will actually highlight that. Yeah, so potential another entry here. Press buy. Yeah. I've now got 2 contracts. Yeah, obviously a stop loss is down below there. Went to the moon. Now there we have the 10 AM time. 10 AM, most people know about what happens at 10 AM. Between 9:50 and 10 AM, something happens. Oh, 10 past 10. So that whole algorithm. So we hit yesterday's. That was the open of yesterday. That was the open, and that was the close of the day before. I notice how it respects this, ladies and gentlemen. Not once, but twice. But free information I've given away there. Yeah. Target 2 achieved. All the time I'm looking to the left. I'm looking to the left. There's nothing else. It's this target here. That's the previous high. It's just achieved that. Now at this point here, I would be looking at my options. If you're happy with that, if you're happy with your lot, what you've taken, this is only 2 contracts, ladies and gentlemen. It's only taken 2 contracts. Yeah, move this out of the way. So let's just do 1 more candle. Let's see if it hits this one here, the next target. Bang. Exit the trade automatic, because that's what I set it. And that is NFP. Now, we'll remove this. Okay, so you can see that there, ladies and gentlemen. Really quite powerful. What we got in the 30-minute trader inner circle mindset mentoring program with it. See there, and it actually went up even higher, as you can see, up there, ladies and gentlemen, with that standing in there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put on a software. We're going to put on 3 bits of software, maybe 4, but let's see how we got on. And we first started looking at trade seriously from this point here. Yeah. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my 30-minute trader. Yeah. And it actually says something's going on there. And it says something's going on here. And inside here, it gives us short-term targets of the previous liquidity. Yeah. Potential exits as well. Another potential exit there. Yeah. Got that on. I'm going to put that off because we can see that because I said here in the first place. Yeah, I'm going to remove that. The next thing I'm going to do is put on is a 30-minute trader direction. Yeah, and what it also shows here, it shows you resistance lines, support lines, and you can see here it come back down to this zone and it went to the moon. Yeah, so here's a potential stop loss, potential entry. There's that. This here takes out all these stop loss. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I've talked about all this time, taking these stop losses out, here's another entry. I say that. We've been watching my the 30-minute trader jigsaw indicate that's it there, and it just goes to the moon. And as long as it stays at the side of the green line, we stay in the trade. Bang. I told you about the targets, how to hit the targets, showing you everything. So now let's remove that. Let's put on our money line, ladies and gentlemen. Bang. Inside that order block, once it goes across there, it goes to the moon, and there is your exit. It cannot get any easier. Trading from software, the indicators, trading from candles themselves. Whatever one you are, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you luck. Come and have a look at what we've got. Come and have a look at the technology. Because we've got a framework to trade from, I've been teaching this month, because we just completed a 6-day Forex and futures traders bootcamp. We have this in place, and we now have something to go on. Whether it be the 1 minute, as you can see here, whether it be 5 minute, whatever time frame you wish, ladies and gentlemen. But my preference is the lower time frames, as you know. Yeah, came from there, was back into this trade here. And the fact that it was trading with the trend, even better. Was back into the 5 minute, boom, away you go. So whether you're a 5 minute, perhaps you're a 2 minute, a 1 minute person, we've got you covered. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been great speaking to you. It's been wonderful. Wherever you're at, have a great day. And I would literally see you on the beaches of the world. Have a great day. Bye for now.